Good morning. Today is March the 21st. Woke up to see the sunrise this morning. Over the bay, over the Baja de Los Angeles. Here comes the sun.
They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown, but I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind, I like the way it feels, no need to set off the alarm. No, see, I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh,
Good morning, crafty travelers. What did you think of that sunrise? I just can't get used to having the sunrise over the ocean and the sunset back behind us over the mountains. That's because I'm a Western girl, I guess. Today's adventure, we're going on an eco tour for about 3 hours. A gentleman that's local does eco tours and fishing. However, the fishing is not good this time of year. I'm sure you can hear lots of engines and generators going because people are charging up their batteries. And he's going to take us around the islands of Baja de Los Angeles. So stay tuned for more. There's a lot more coming up. Thanks for watching. Here's the view right now. We're all gathering to join the guides for our eco tour this morning. Here we are, gathering up, getting ready to go on our eco tours out to the islands of the Sea of Cortez. These are the boats that we're going to go out on the eco tour, and to get in there we have to use these step ladders, and they will actually transport us while we are in the boats. Here's Terry, gonna enter the boat that we're going to be on. I will be next. Yeah, and she's in. There's another one on board. They got folks over there. Hello, everybody. There are 3 boats going out today. We got another one up front there. People are climbing in. This is a new experience, riding in a boat while being towed. We got Irene and Maury and Katie in the front. We got Wendy and Chuck, Terry and me.
When we come back.
3-hour tour.
And there's a lot of
There goes the boats. In the trailers. We would never be able to do this in the U.S.
Bye. Wait. There you go. Oh, it's that bump thing.
It's that bump thing. There's the bump. There's the arches. Driving through the little town of Baja de Los Angeles. Boat, and here we go down the ramp. That's Joel, our captain. He just boarded. Needed more ballast in the back. here and pretty. And we're going into the water. You can see the other boats out there already. And there goes our ride. They'll be back to get us later. And there's the ramp we have to come back to in 3 hours, hopefully. Joe, what is the name of this island?
It's a window island.
Window Island.
Window island.
Because of the rock shape. There's a window right there, yes. Window Island. What is it in Spanish?
La ventana.
Ventana.
I knew that. I do have a few memories of this.
It's like if you go to Cabo and don't see the arch, you come to Bahia.
Get to see the window.
Osprey.
The window of Window Island, and there is an osprey nest at the top. Right up there. There's obviously birds that live there. See the white stuff on the rocks. Nope. We're looking at the heron nests up on the mountain there on the rocks. He says almost every bush has a heron nest in it. They like this side because it's protected from the wind. Oh, there's one right there in that bush area. Right there. Heron. Nesting. There's a cross on top of that mountain. That's where we were. And we're going forward to see some sea lions. Eagles. Ooh, pelican. Birds are circumventing for some reason.
Some people singing with seals in La Paz, but there is a reproduction rocketing, so sometimes it bites the people, the seals.
Oh, there are sea lions around here. I see a little ripple there. They're more in front of the boat. I have to get in front. There they are. There's the sea lions. Everybody's in the pool. Everybody's in the water today. Yep, they're probably fishing. These are cormorant on this island, on the side.
It's the same kind, you see that?
Oh yeah, the white seagulls will eat the eggs. Yes, cormorant nesting up there. Joel said he studied in Ensenada and has a degree in marine biology or oceanography, and he worked for the national park for a while, and now he's with his father doing this eco tours and fishing, and all of these islands are part of the national park. White birds, they're blue-footed boobies, are up in that area. They're white birds. We saw blue-footed boobies in the Galapagos. So there are camarins. They're the black ones. They're of course seagulls. There's supposed to be some blue-footed boobies up there, but I haven't identified them. And some brown boobies, which again, I haven't really identified, but I'm hoping the camera picks it up. And we're leaving the island. There's all the birdies. There's the pelicans and seagulls. Lighthouse between these islands. These are American houses, people from the United States. These are local houses.
It's a school.
Oh, it is?
It's a school from Ocean Discovery from USA. It's a school from California.
There's the ramp. We'll come back to that because we're going to go past our camp and see all the RVs lined up on the beach. There's our camp. All the RVs are lined up on the beach. Look fast. And now we're headed back to the dock. Up onto the trailer, bump, and away we go back to camp. Watching the birds dive. That's what you do here. Watching the birds dive. We got back from our eco tour and sat and watched the birds dive out in the ocean and just relaxed. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.